Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to create visits to do for larger groups. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, use the main menu button on the top left corner of the screen and select Accounts. Then select Property Search. Within the property search, you will use the desired filters for how you would like to group the properties. You may decide to group by zip code, state, or street name, for example. After narrowing down your list of properties, click the Mass Action drop-down button and then select Create All Visits to Do. This will open the Visit to Do window, where you will first select the desired service category and then the proposed service date. You will then use the toggle buttons in the list of work to-dos to select which you would like to mass create. Be sure to utilize the Notes field if applicable. When you are ready, you will simply click Save to create the selected visits to do for the group selected. Leaving the check box checked will ensure that for any customer that already has this visit to do in the system, it will not create a duplicate. Ready to give it a go? Try it out the next time you have several visits to do to create.